Rob Frazier here's video. I want to talk about a program that's a part of phase 2 of my new perpetual traffic plan, my boost your leads and commissions plan. The program I'm going to be talking about is Pegasus. Pegasus is a passive Bitcoin trading opportunity. Now let me preface this video. Let me just be honest. Is Pegasus a Ponzi scheme? I don't know. But looks like a duck, quacks like a duck, swims like a duck. Who knows? Regardless, this is my perpetual traffic plan. This is what I'm doing. And before we even get into this, for the folks who do join me in Pegasus, I'm not saying it is a Ponzi scheme. It's not. Now's the time to promote it. But at the same time, you got to be careful. Don't put any more into it that you wouldn't spend on traffic. And also, whatever you put into it, what I am going to do is match that in my own trading account. So basically, if you join Pegasus, you put $100 in Pegasus, I'm gonna put $100 for you in my trading account. So if something happens to Pegasus, at the very least, you get your $100 back, and I'll probably send you some traffic, as a gift. But if Pegasus sticks around for a long, long time, then hey, more power to all of us. But also understand, I do trade crypto myself, but I'm not a full-time trader, so it may take me a little bit to get your Bitcoin back. But regardless, getting into this video, Pegasus, this is just going to be like a quick little mini review. Pegasus review and how it, Pegasus review is what I'm going to call this video. Pegasus review and how it fits into my boost your leads and commissions plan. Boost your leads and cash plan. I like that. Boost your leads and cash. BLC. Not BBC, not BBW, BLC. Boost your leads and cash commissions plan. Let's get into it. So, what I personally do, on the second phase of my boost your leads and commission phase, I got two phases. The first phase is just free leads leap, free cash juice, free infinity traffic boost. The second phase is basically taking infinity traffic boost and leading with that. So basically you're surfing your ads in infinity traffic boost to get traffic to the BLC plan, right? And when you surf your ads on infinity traffic boost, every 10 ads you surf, you get 10, you get a share of Bitcoin. Now it can be varying amounts. It changes on a daily basis. It depends on how good the company is doing that day. Scroll down here. Infinity Traffic Boost is the first part. And I tell folks, look, when you start making money, you take a little bit and you put it in one of your own personal Bitcoin wallets. And then you take another chunk and then you can put it into the passive program. So it's not going to be a big loss if it goes away. And so as your personal account is growing, your passive account is growing. And if something happens to your passive account, you still have your personal account, but we can get to that in the future. But that's what I do. Also, this is how I promote Pegasus, basically. I have a couple videos here on YouTube, but I really just have it in my plan here. The whole idea is to start surfing ads and infinity traffic boost, get some Bitcoin coming in. Once you get some Bitcoin coming in, you can split it. You put half into a personal trading account, and you can learn how to trade crypto through iCoin Pro. And then the other half you can put into the passive program. So you have both working for you. And if something happens to Pegasus, you have your own trading account you can trade on, and you have the income coming from the BLC plan. So moving on down, Pegasus. Again, who knows how long the platform's going to be around. It's paying very, very nice. I don't have a crystal ball. We've seen programs like this come and go in the past before. I put $170 in personally and withdrawn, I don't know, like close to $50. Payouts, yeah, $56.85. And I only spawned, I get like 5 or 6 active referrals in this opportunity. I'm not really going to get into much of it because the presentation that we have explains everything. In fact, let me go back here to my phase 2 of my BLC plan. Clicking on this button right here is going to take you to a video and another website. I should have had it already up and loaded for you. But this page is a page that will be created for you that you can have to promote this opportunity. Give it a second to load. Let me turn my phone on silent. Again, I'm out here in a garage because when I'm in the house, I got the bird and the kid and everybody else. So I have to come out to the garage where I got podunk Wi-Fi. So this is the same page that you'll be able to use. One thing I do like about them, they do have instant payouts. I have another video that shows me getting paid within 90 seconds, it hitting my actual wallet. I don't know how they do it so fast. Also, it's a $300 minimum after June 6th, but from now till June 6th, you can get started for 50 bucks. You put 50 bucks in, I'll put 50 bucks in my trading account. In case something happens, you know the deal. I also will say this is a part of my traffic plan. The money I withdraw here does not go into my pocket. The money I withdraw here, half of it goes into my own personal trading account, the same, and the other half goes into buying more traffic to get more people into my BLC plan. I think that's where a lot of people just get mixed up with these types of programs, because they withdraw the money and they live off the money instead of withdrawing the money and using it in a smart way. So instead of taking all the money you making from Pegasus, put in your pocket, you take all the money you make from Pegasus, you put half into your own personal trading account, so your personal Bitcoin trading account is growing, and then you take the other half and you put it into traffic to keep more people coming in the system, so you have more people joining you and the other programs I have laid out in this system. Obviously, this is for those who are using my plan. If you're not using my plan, I highly suggest you scroll down, opt in, and check it out. Very simple plan, 3 phases. The first phase, leads leap, cash juice, infinity traffic boost. The second phase, I go into how to work infinity traffic boost. Then from there, you start withdrawing some Bitcoin. You put half into your trading account, half into the passive program. Then once the passive program starts going, you take half of that, put it back into your personal trading account, half of that back into traffic. That keeps the traffic and people coming in. And then lastly, the third phase on the back end is our primary business opportunity, where all of the commissions we make here goes into our pocket. So it's a very calculated and specific plan, and Pegasus is just a part of that plan. So I know I said Pegasus review, but I'm not really reviewing the company. You can see, I'll put a direct link to the presentation underneath this video, and I'll also put in a link so you can go back and see how it fits into my overall plan, because I'm not just relying on Pegasus to pay the bills. I'm using that to grow my own personal trading account, to grow my traffic, and I would like you to do the same, because again, this is how I was able to crawl myself out of a very stuck financial hole, and is how I'm doing the same thing now. So that being said, when I mean same thing now, meaning how I'm still, it's the same exact plan that I've done way back that helped me out. It's the same thing without fail. It's just continuously moving forward. So that being said, my full-time income plan, link is below. Name's Mark Fraser. We'll see you in the next video.